We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. We want a juice box. A juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. Juice box. A juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. Kiddo Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so today as usually it was a day for me in the school, studies, then activities, others, PE, etc. Then I guess you also had a wonderful day in your school today with your friends, your teachers and your subjects, etc. Even my FA1 is going on now, so I'm busy in learning and revision is happening. So the same, and moreover, a good news is there's a exhibition is gonna be held on my school. So we all are working hard to make it into a grand success. So we want our exhibition to be a best. So we are working a lot. So everybody is behind that. Moreover, FA1 and really busy. Okay. So and another thing is tomorrow is a weekend. And that is a very great thing because after a week going to school or office or whatever it is, it is the only best day where you can enjoy and relax or go for a movie, etc. And not only relax, I have to study and all those stuffs are there. Okay, even now in Nepal the relief activities are going on now, and moreover even in Dubai also is contributing a lot. So like in my school and all, they are keeping like relief fund money, food and all, so we can be also a part of that relief camp because we are helping anyone. Anyway, they are humans, we have to help them, so it is our responsibility too. Okay, so as I told you in the last episode, all these happen due to all the malpractices of the mankind of the earth. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello. 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 Okay, I guess a call have dropped. It's fine. So I'll be talking about some and sharing some information about our earth. So as we can also take some measures to bring our earth. So the presence of land, water and plants and animals, even air, make our earth a special planet. And moreover, we all live on our earth. This is the only planet in the solar system where living beings are there. So, and as I told you, the life on earth. Our earth is the third planet in the solar system. It was formed many years ago. So, now let's move for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Anjana.
Anjana. Hi Anjana.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. So how was your school today?
It was quite nice.
Quite nice. Okay. So what did you study today?
I studied normal class because today we had activity class for inspection.
Okay. Fine. You're in which school?
I'm in model school Abu Dhabi.
Okay. Which grade?
I'm in 5th.
6th.
5th.
5th. Okay. Fine. So you will draw and all those stuffs. You sing or dance or draw.
I'm reading books today.
Reading books today. Okay. So your favorite hobby is reading?
Yeah.
Okay. So what all types of book you read, like encyclopedia, story books, etc., or which all language you read?
I like reading English only.
Yeah, okay. What type of books, like encyclopedia or some kind of, story books or stuffs like that?
Yeah, I know encyclopedia books till I read from internet. Then I like stories.
Okay, so you like everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you have in your school you have like English week, Maths week, something like that.
Huh?
In your school there's something like English week, Maths week, something like that, is there? For each
No.
subject there's a week?
No.
No, okay. Fine. Anyway, Anjana,
Yeah.
let's go for a game.
Okay.
Okay, which game?
There's another something.
Make sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you an easy one. Can you make a sentence with decoration?
Okay. How many sentences?
You're in grade 5, right?
Yeah.
Can you make 5 sentences?
Okay. Okay. In my birthday party, there was some decoration.
Okay, 1.
Then I buy decorations every time.
Okay.
Then my favorite colors are the rainbow colors of decoration.
Okay.
Then there are decorations in my school,
Okay.
and I love decorations.
Okay. So it was a easy word for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, it was a fantastic game. Yeah, you were saying quickly as much as possible. I sit and think what to write in my notebook and all.
No.
Okay. So Anjana,
Yeah.
have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So it was Anjana who called us, she was making sentence so fast as possible. Okay, now let's move back to our Earth. That is our topic. Okay. So, as I told you, it is the third planet in our solar system and it was formed many years ago. So when it was newly formed, it was believed that it was really hot and no living things like plants or animals or humans were not there. Then slowly rain and thunderstorms were there. Then Earth's surface cooled down, and then slowly all the plants and animals have started being formed, and at last like now all animals, plants, living things, trees, everything is there. Okay, so movement of Earth. So we have our Earth is moving all the time. That is the two kinds of movement, rotation and revolution. So now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. Hi Meenakshi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. Which grade you are in?
I'm in fifth.
5th.
Yes.
Yes. Which school?
Bishop Hill Private School.
Okay, fine. So, which is your favorite subject?
Pardon?
Which is your favorite subject?
Subject? I would go for English.
English. Okay. So, why you like English? There should be a reason behind it, right?
Yes. Well, there is. I could use descriptive language.
Okay.
And I could use my imagination to make stories.
Wow. So, you write stories?
Yep.
Okay, then why don't you send us all your stories? You can send
Okay.
us an kidukids@ntvua.com.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay, try your best to send your stories. We'll be showing and all.
Okay.
Okay, so then any other reason?
No, not much.
Not any other reason. Okay, so who are your best friends?
My best friend, I have only one best friend.
Okay. So do she likes the same subject or she likes a different subject?
That I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, Meenakshi, will you sing?
No, I'm not so good a singer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's go for a game.
Okay.
Okay, which game?
I've never called to the show, so I don't know much games. So could you choose for me?
Oh, yeah, sure. Maybe I can tell the options. Maybe you can choose one.
Okay.
Okay, so there's Atlas, Connection, Memory, then Riddle, GK, and yeah, then Spelling.
Okay. Can we do memory?
Yeah, you know the game rules and stuffs.
I'm not sure.
Okay. The rules are like, if suppose the topic of today is fruits, maybe the topic is fruits. Just for a
Okay.
example. So if I say apple, then you will say apple, orange, or whatever it is.
Okay.
And I'll be
Oh,
saying,
so, it goes,
hmm?
so you say apple, then I have to repeat apple, and
Yeah.
then say or
Yeah, like that. Then I have to repeat apple, orange, and whichever fruit I like to say.
Oh, okay. So from the start, like to yours,
Okay, so I'll start or you will start.
you can start.
Okay. So today we can say something like things around us.
Okay.
Okay. I'll go for table,
Okay. Table, book,
table book, and fan.
pardon,
Table, book, fan. You know fan?
fan. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So table, books, fan, newspaper,
Newspaper. Table, books, fan, newspaper, and pencil.
pencil.
Yeah.
Okay. So table, books, fan, newspaper, pencil, TV.
Okay. Table, books, then you told, yeah, fan, newspaper, pencil, and TV. Then I'll say clock.
So table, books, fan, newspaper, pencil, TV, and
Clock.
clock. Okay.
And something else. You have to say from your side.
Basket.
Basket. Okay. Table, table, books, fan, newspaper, pencil, TV, clock, basket, and telephone.
Okay. So table, books, fan, newspaper, pencil, TV, clock. Uh, uh,
Clock, basket,
basket.
and I told, yeah. Oh, yeah. What did I say? Like,
Telephone.
yeah, telephone. Okay.
Building.
Okay, building. Okay, anyway, that was a very nice game.
Thank you. Oh, I enjoyed it too as well.
Okay, so you like the game?
Yes.
So you can, you know this game before, or you can try with your friends if you don't know.
I can try with my friend.
Yeah, sure. You're coming by bus, right?
No.
Own transport.
Yes.
Okay. So otherwise you can try in the class.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So can you repeat your name again?
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. Okay, Meenakshi. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Meenakshi who called us. So, before the movement, we have the shape of the earth. Many years ago, people thought that, the shape of the earth is flat because we only see a tiny part of our earth and we think that is flat. But people who went out of the earth, that is, who went to a space, from there they saw that the earth is round and it is not flat. So then they realized that it is round and not flat. So then the people who travel to the space are called the astronauts. So I guess that all of you know what is astronaut and all. So if you have some information about our Earth, you can also share with us by calling us on 0529611 333. Okay. So, movement of Earth, as I told you, rotation and revolution. So, rotation. Our Earth spins about an imaginary line which passes through its center. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello?
what's your name?
Sachin.
Hi Sachin,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
So how's your day today?
Good day.
Good day, okay. Are you telling about the biscuit, Good Day biscuit?
Good day.
Okay, so so you have some exhibitions or something like going on in your school?
Now there is no exhibition. Now I haven't started.
Oh, even same with me. Actually, I have only two more subjects, that is Hindi and
Actually,
Arabic.
my haven't started on Sunday, but because our KLD came in school for 2 days.
Yeah, same with me also.
Because my first exam, social and second exam, computer was postponed. Yesterday was Hindi and today is Arabic, tomorrow English.
Okay. Actually, we didn't got any timetable. It was like a surprise test and all. So they just told that Sunday to this Sunday, this coming Sunday. I just only know that. I don't know which subject all this. Okay.
It's every Monday or normal days.
Yeah, I don't know. There's slightly.
No, but yeah, exams are in every Monday and every day.
Yeah, every days.
Okay.
Okay. So Sachin.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't we go for a game?
Okay.
Which game?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry.
No, you go for a game.
Okay. How can I go for a game? Because maybe you can select one, right?
Yeah, I think what are games right now?
Atlas connection, GK, then dictionary, yeah, spelling. That's all.
Do you have connection?
Okay, sure. You start.
Okay, and next.
Internet,
No, NESTA tool.
nest. Okay. Tortoise,
What?
tortoise.
Tortoise. Engine.
English.
What?
I'm not getting cleared because the phone have some disturbance. Can you say
I told engine.
engine? Okay. Encyclopedia. A.
Encyclopedia. Okay. DIA. Apple.
Apple. Elephant.
Elephant. T. Telephone.
Sorry.
Telephone.
Telephone.
E.
What should I say? Okay. English.
What?
English.
English.
Yeah.
Hat.
Heart. Table.
Table. Eskimos.
Eskimos. Yes, sun.
Sun. Can you say places, no?
No, that is an atlas.
Oh yes,
Any of many things, right?
Nine.
9. Okay, that was a very nice game.
Okay.
So you liked it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sachin, I guess you will have a nice day also tomorrow and today too. So then Sachin, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, that was Sachin who called us. Now, rotation. Our Earth spins about an imaginary line which passes through its center. It is called the axis. The spinning movement of the Earth about its axis is called rotation. Okay, so now why don't we go for a caller? Hello.
Hello?
What's your name?
Shan.
Ishan.
No, Shan.
Ishal.
S-H-A-N.
Shai. Okay. So, which school you're studying in?
I'm in Cambridge.
Okay. Which class?
9th.
Ninth. Okay. So, will you sing or any hobbies like that?
I play guitar.
Okay.
Actually, I want my, I have a sister, a small sister.
Yeah.
Actually, she wanted to call, but then now she's refusing to speak.
Okay. Okay. So now your sister is not willing to talk.
No, she's ran away.
Okay. So then, other than playing guitar, any other hobbies?
I draw. I write poems.
Huh? You can send all those stuffs in to us, right?
I'll try.
All your writings, drawings, etc.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay. So then, okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite is maths. Yeah.
Maths. Okay. So after 10th, now you are in 9th. So after 10th, which is in which subject you want to go for?
I would like to go for science, but it depends on my marks. So I'll see.
Okay. So try your best.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, so which game do you want to play?
I've not seen this show for a while, so can you just say the games you want to play?
Oh yeah, sure. Riddles, GK, then memory game is over. Atlas is there, and spelling is there.
Atlas will be okay.
Atlas, okay. You can start.
I'll start?
Yeah.
Okay, India.
India, Afghanistan,
New York.
New York, Kenya,
America.
America, Africa,
Australia.
Australia, Andhra Pradesh,
What letter?
H,
I can't hear you.
Andhra Pradesh, H,
Okay. Haryana.
Haryana, Abu Dhabi,
Okay. Indonesia.
Indonesia, Alain,
Netherlands.
Netherlands, Sweden.
Netherlands.
Yeah, Netherlands, Sweden.
Nagaland.
Nagaland, okay,
Yeah.
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Okay. What else? I quit.
Okay, it was a very nice game because you're so fast, so I have to also think that much fast as possible. So it was so hard for me actually.
Okay, thank you. You're in which class?
I'm in grade 6.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now, okay, so day and night. So how do this day and night forms? So now let's see a video and come.